In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new user in the system. This is an essential skill for managing access to your platform, ensuring the right people have the right permissions. Let's walk through the process together. First, navigate to the home page of your system's interface. Once you're there, you'll want to find the section labeled Users and Permissions. This is your gateway to managing who can access your platform and what they can do once they're in. If you're having trouble locating it, don't worry. You can always use the search feature by typing User in the awesome bar at the top. This handy tool will quickly guide you to the correct page, saving you time and ensuring you're on the right track. Once you've arrived at the User section, look for the New button. Clicking this will allow you to create a fresh user entry. This is where you'll begin to set up your new user. To start, you'll need to enter some basic information. At the very least, enter an email address and a name. These fields are mandatory as they serve as the primary point of contact and identification for the new user you're adding. After filling these out, it's crucial to save the document. Saving at this point not only records the basic information, but also unlocks additional user detail options. Think of this like setting the foundation before building a house. You need a solid base to work from before you can move forward. With the foundational details saved, the next step involves assigning roles. This is where you determine what level of access this new user will have. Click on the Roles option to see a list of available roles such as Sales User or System Manager. You can assign one or more of these roles depending on what tasks the user will be responsible for. Additionally, you have the option to assign a role profile. This is a convenient feature if you want to assign multiple roles to a user at once. Instead of selecting each role individually, simply choose the appropriate profile, and all associated roles will be automatically applied. This can be a huge time saver and helps ensure consistency across similar user types. Finally, don't forget to save once more. This step finalizes the setup and makes sure all your changes are locked in. At this point, you'll also have the option to send an email invite to the new user. This is particularly helpful if you want them to set up their password and get started right away. Alternatively, you can also choose to reset their password if needed. And there you have it. You've successfully created a new user. Whether you're managing a small team or a vast organization, knowing how to add users efficiently is a valuable skill. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more helpful tips and tutorials.